Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the LG 27US550-W, a 27-inch 4K UHD monitor that instantly elevates your workspace the moment you turn it on. With a 3840x 2160 resolution, this 4K IPS panel delivers incredibly sharp detail, making text crisp and images beautifully clear. Whether you're editing photos, designing graphics, or just browsing the web, everything looks clean and precise. Thanks to HDR10 support and 90% DCI-P 3-color coverage, colors feel rich and natural, giving you better accuracy for creative work and more depth when watching content. Brightness sits at 300 nits, which is strong enough for most indoor environments, even in well-lit rooms. The slim, nearly borderless design also makes it perfect for dual monitor setups, creating a seamless side-by-side experience. One of the standout features is the USB-C connectivity with up to 60W power delivery. That means a single cable can handle video, data, and charging for your laptop, keeping your desk clean and clutter-free. The only thing to note is the 60 Hz refresh rate, which is fine for productivity and casual gaming but not aimed at competitive players. Overall, the LG 27US550-W delivers sharp 4K clarity, accurate color, and modern connectivity in a sleek, professional package. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.